Welcome everybody to the channel. Today we're going to make the Ward 8. Legend says that this drink tastes like feet. We're going to find out. So we're going to be using the recipe from Steve The Bartender's book. As always, I'm making every single recipe that's in this book, and today is the Ward 8. Before filming this, I did some research online, which was, I say research, I watched a lot of YouTube videos on Ward 8 recipes. Greg from How to Drink, he says it tastes like feet. I guess we're gonna find out. Okay, this recipe is actually very easy to remember. We've got 2 ounces of rye whiskey, half an ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice, half an ounce of grenadine, and half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Just on a note, when you're making this drink, if a recipe asks for freshly squeezed orange juice, squeeze your own orange juice. Don't be using the store-bought because it's going to make a completely different drink, different balance. And the recipe also calls for grenadine. We're using Steve The Bartender's recipe, which is in his book. It's pomegranate juice, sugar, and a little bit of rose water. So, 2 ounces of rye whiskey. We're using Sazerac today. 2 ounces. Half an ounce of your freshly squeezed orange juice. Half an ounce. Half an ounce of your homemade grenadine. Definitely recommend making your own because it is night and day to store-bought grenadine. We're gonna go half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So let's freshly squeeze, let's go. Okay, squeeze that in, let's go. I'm not gonna get enough. Nope. Not a very juicy lemon. Okay, just enough. That's half an ounce. Add ice to a shaker. Tap and shake. All right. We're then going to double strain this into a pre-chilled coupe. Nailed it. This recipe doesn't call for a garnish, so here we go. This is the Ward 8, folks. Give it a little sip. It doesn't taste like feet. In fact, this Steve's recipe is very balanced. It's tastes like a really, really nice whiskey sour. A little bit of extra sweetness. The complexity comes from the homemade grenadine. But yeah, this is delicious. Give this one a try, guys. The Ward 8.